everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Now in the previous video you learn about the odd number and even numbers. In today's video you learn about the before number, between number and after number. Do you see here picture? In this picture, three animals sit in the train. Now here the lion is sit in before the monkey. ओके मीन्स जो लायन है वो मंकी के आगे बैठा है एंड द रैबिट इज सिट आफ्टर द मंकी मीन्स जो रैबिट है वो मंकी के पीछे बैठा है एंड द मंकी इज सिट बिटवीन द लायन एंड द रैबिट मीन्स जो मंकी है वो लायन और रैबिट के बीच में बैठा है. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? बिफोर मीन्स पहले, आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में एंड बिटवीन मीन्स बीच में. यहाँ पे आपने पिक्चर से ये समझा. दिस वन वी हैव टू यूज फॉर अवर नंबर्स ऑल्सो. In your first and second grade, you already learn about the before, between and after numbers. But in the third grade, you learn about the same before, between and after number for the numbers 101 to 1000. Now, we have to look in my worksheet. Now, in my worksheet, I hope so students, you already completed in your notebook numbers 101 to 1000, number names 101 to 1000. And after completed the number names, I request all the students must write down the definition of odd numbers and even numbers. That after you should write down about the predecessor and successor. Now these two words are new for you. है ना? First time you have to listen that words and it is too much. The spelling is also bigger. Now I request all the students after completing odd and even number definition, you should write down this way. I show you in my notebook. That way you have to write down predecessor and successor spelling full page. Okay. And please, while you write, that time you speak also. Pronounce that words. Okay. Now, once I speak and then after you repeat after me. Understand? We start. P-R-E, pre, D-E-D, C-E, se, double S-O-R, sir, predecessor, predecessor. What it is? Predecessor. Again, P-R-E, D-E-C-E, double S-O-R, predecessor. And what is the meaning of predecessor? Predecessor means before number. Again, predecessor means before number. Now, look here. It is a pre. Pre means पहले. Like हम अभी प्राइमरी सेक्शन में है, पर जब आप केजी और उसमें थे तो उसको प्री प्राइमरी सेक्शन बोलते हैं ना. इसी तरह से predecessor means before number. Understand? That after it is a successor. Another word is a successor. S-U-C-C-E. double S-O-R, successor. Again, S-U-C-C-E, double S-O-R, successor. What is the meaning of successor? After number. What is the meaning of successor? After number. Okay, first of all, please everyone, write down that words. Okay, now I go ahead for the definition. Now, look at here in my worksheet, predecessor. Predecessor of a number means before number. What is the meaning? Predecessor of a number means before number. Now, you know that before number means if I have to take the 4. So what is the before of 4? It is a 3. Means it is the less than 1. So what I write here? The predecessor of a number is a 1 less than a number. Means number में से हमें एक माइनस करना है तो हमें उसका predecessor मिलता है. I show you afterwards that examples. Okay. That after the next one is successor. successor of a number means after number. Again, successor of a number means after number. The successor of a number is one more than a number. Means if I ask to you 5 after, then you say 6. It is a 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Same way, if you want to find out the successor, then you have to add 1 in the given number. Okay, I hope so. This explanation done by me, you are understand that one. Okay, now I show you some example. Now here I have one book, and in this book here the before is there. Before is given, but now what we learn? Predecessor. Means it is a before number. Okay, one example is already done for you. Now another one number is 380. Means 80 se pehle. Now, while you in a first and second grade, that time you have to just only learn about the 2-digit number. But now you have 100 numbers, means it is a 3-digit number. So for that, you should only check this 2 place. It is a 80. So what is the before of 80? It is a 79. And the 100 place you write down as it is. Understand? That after we go ahead for a 901. Now it is too much, means you have to be aware for this, because here 1's place is 1, 10's place is 0 and 100 place is 9. So here it is minus 1 while you have to do, then it is a 900. Okay, means 1 से पहले क्या आता है? 0 आता है. तो it is a 900. That after 333. So you should look at this 1's and 10's place. It is a 33. So what is the before of 33? So means it is a 32. And this 100 place 3 you should write down as it is. This is very much important example. This next one is 400. This 20. अब कोई बच्चा ऐसा पूछेगा कि मैडम 0 से आगे तो कोई नंबर नहीं, अब मैं क्या करूं? बट बेटा आपको पता होगा कि 100 से पहले क्या आता है? 99. Yes. तो we should write down here 99. Okay, because 100 में 2 0 होते हैं. तो इसी तरह से 100 से पहले क्या आया? 99. और 4 से पहले भी लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना? तो 4 से पहले क्या आता है? 3. तो ये हुआ 399. Understand everyone? If you want, then I make again one example. Okay, that after I go ahead for the after number. Now what is the meaning of after number here? Successor. Okay, what is given in the worksheet? Successor. Successor means after number, means you have add 1. Now here once again you have to check the 2 place, 10s and 1s. Here it is a 13. If you add 1, then it is 13 after 14. Okay, and write down the 4 as it is of the 100 place. That after it is the 68. Means 1s and 10s place makes a 68. So 68 after 69. And the 100 place 3 as it is. Understand? That after 19. 19 after 20. Okay, and the 100 place is as it is. That after 54. 54 after, yes, 55. Very good. And the 100 place as it is. That after 97. What is after 97? Yes, 98. And the 100 place as it is. Okay, I show you more examples for this. Here I have another one examples. Once again, what is the question here? What comes after? After means successor. What you learn? After means successor. Always you should now keep in your mind. The successor means after number. Successor means after number. Now here more example. 80. 80 after 81. And the 100 place 6 as it is. Okay. That after 85. 85 after 86. Okay, and the 400 place as it is. Then 71 after 72. Okay, and the 800 place as it is. Here 72 after 73 and the 9 as it is. 60 after 61 and the 7 as it is. Here 8. Okay, because of 0 on the tens place, so it is only 8. 8 after 9 and 0 as it is, and the 100 place 3 also as it is. I want to give you one another number here, and this one number is I write here. Okay, so the number is 349, means it is 349. So you should check here this two last number. It is a 49. So 49 after 50. Okay, 49 after 50 and this 3 as it is. Can I give you more example? It is a 99 and here 2. Okay, now it is very much important because 99 after 100. So means 2 zeros. But what about the 1? 1 add in a 2 and you get 3. Understand? Once again, 99 after 100. That 2 zeros I write here and the 100 place 1 I add in a 2 and I get 3. Okay. Now for the before number. What is the meaning of before number? Predecessor. Predecessor. Now before number means 95 before. Okay, 94 and the 6 as it is. 45 before 44. Okay, and the 6 as it is. Then 11 before. Okay, very good. 11 before 10 and 5 as it is. 62 before 61 and 7 as it is. Okay, now here only one place. Okay, because 0 is here. Okay, the 3 before 2. 0 as it is and 7 also as it is. That after 29 before 28. Okay, and 4 as it is. I hope so you understand this new concept predecessor and successor clearly. And if you have any query, then please ask me. Bye everyone. Thank you.